I'm Dr. Moldavski. I'm from Poland, and I watched the video of the Dr. Mishra on MedTube, and he's great didactic. So I came here, and I have a really good expression about this course. It's very well organized.
Hello, I am Dr. Nemi Chandra. I am a fresh pass out PG resident from Safdarjung Hospital, Delhi. So I got to know that there is a fellowship in minimal access surgery plus a diploma in minimal access surgery at World Laparoscopic Hospital. So I got it on social media, and I had very less I had expectations that it would be more of a theoretical topic, but my experience in World Laparoscopic Hospital has been amazing. It was it was a combination of theoretical lecture classes, dry lab, wet lab, and on OT experience. So it was an amazing experience for us. So I have learned a lot. Thank you. It was wonderful.
I'm Dr. Noura Sharafli, gynecologist working in UAE. I got the news from my friend, which was taking the same course. It was a very important. I got a lot of information and training, which very thanks Dr. Mishra and his team. Are you one photo and one?
I'm Raymond Anthony, and I've come to World Laparoscopy Hospital for the fellowship and the diploma in minimally access surgery. Just here to give my feedback. I personally think it was one of the best decisions I could make at the time to learn more about laparoscopy, robotic surgery, as well as current and future surgical technologies. As for the lectures, I think it's just absolutely brilliant. I think Dr. Mishra and Dr. Balla covered the basics and the fundamental principles of all of the surgical technologies, including from things that we wouldn't give a lot of thought to, like the insufflator and the quadromanometric measurement systems, and just how every single thing is done and why it's done. I think that's the most crucial part, and the part that gives the most value. I also want just to speak about the dry lab and the wet lab experiences. I think they're just fantastic because you get adequate amount of practice on the dry lab and on the models with all the instruments, doing all of the exercises and the techniques, the knotting and surgical suturing techniques, as well as then when you go to the wet lab, we've gone through the lectures, the anatomy, the theory, the steps multiple times and on the dry lab, so we can make the most of the wet lab periods as well. I also think the exposure to the robotic surgery and getting a basic training in robotic surgery is excellent. All in all, I would very, very strongly recommend the fellowship and the diploma at World Laparoscopy Hospital. I think the faculty are amazing, very well renowned, well learned, and they're just a fantastic group of people to be able to do this course with. So just want to thank you so much.
Romasha, I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka, and I had a great learning experience here. And there's no better place than World Laparoscopy to learn laparoscopy in a structured way. And special thanks to R.K. Mishra sir, Balla sir, and all his team members. That's it. Thank you. It was a great learning experience.
Hi, I'm Dr. Divya Punetha. I'm an obstetrician gynecologist practicing in Dehradun, Graphic Era Medical College. I did my FMAS last month from World Laparoscopy Hospital, and this month I completed my DMAS training from World Laparoscopy Hospital. And I can say that after doing this training, the surgeries I was doing prior to my FMAS training and the surgeries I did after my FMAS training, there was a wide difference. Sir has a unique quality that he would explain all the complicated things in a very simple and a very profound way and make it very easy for you. All the suturing techniques he taught are very unique, and I would definitely recommend World Laparoscopy Hospital to everyone. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Niranjan. I'm from Bangalore. I've recently passed out my post-graduation from general surgery. I'm currently working in a private sector. I got to know about this through one of my friends and seniors who happened to be in the same hospital and had given a really good feedback about it. I did indeed experience the same thing here. So the utmost important thing which I would like to insist is that the basics and fundamental is top notch, and skills will eventually develop as we perform more and more surgeries, but the fundamental and the basics as to how a laparoscopy or a minimal access surgery has to be performed is best taught and best appreciated by us after performing few surgeries as well. So it would really be a good thing to have an experience and exposure here. We also had both dry lab and wet lab where we happened to practice on mannequins as well as with pigs. and the experience what we got was really good, and the hands-on and the feel about it was really good. So troubleshooting of any surgery will be definitely learnt, and any surgery, though being a beginner or a level 1 laparoscopic surgeon, level 2 laparoscopic surgeon, troubleshooting of any surgery and all the challenges faced while performing surgeries can be overcome best after having an exposure from here. Really thank all the members for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Dr. Litti. So I am from Chennai and I did the course this month. So actually it's a very nice experience, and the teaching, the sir is a great teacher, and whatever he is telling, he tells all the practical aspects, and we are able to, I mean, it's very nice, and he's a very good teacher. And all other facilities like hostel accommodation, everything was safe, food was good, and the laparoscopy assistants in the lab, they were also really good. And as we told, the technical aspect, they were very nice in teaching us with very patiently. And overall, learning from sir is a very nice experience, and it will be good. Nobody in the world is, I don't think anybody is going to teach us this details and this basis, and every knowledge he is having, he is sharing with everyone selflessly, and he has done the course in a very meticulous and detailed way. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Hawa Yahya from Sudan, working Saudi Arabia. I heard about this course from friends and colleagues working there, and I was actually really interested to come here, and I found it as a good opportunity to join this course and get more experience and more information and good practice and knowing the best and actual true techniques. Thank you so much.
Ayushi Sharma. I'm from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I came to know about this laparoscopy training course from my senior, and he suggested me to join here. After coming here, I got to know the basics of laparoscopy, and where the port positions should be and how the surgery should go. Here they teach us about each and every step in detail, along with the practical demonstration, and they also give hands-on on wet labs and dry labs. And here we do tissue dissection as well. Each and every step is monitored and guided by Dr. Mishra sir and Dr. Bhalla sir. I also did here robotic training, which is also helpful in my career, and I would suggest ki please do come and get trained here. It is they give us the logic behind everything which is needed, which is not provided by like in general practice. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Shital Galani. I am from Surat, Gujarat. I came here by the guidance of my senior, Dr. Sandeep. He told me to do FMAS course over here and take the every basic detail about laparoscopic hysterectomy and everything, all the gynec surgeries. I am basically the gynecologist and practicing in Surat. Okay, thank you. Overall, this experience over here is was very nice. The staff member and the sir were very friendly and giving all the guidance about each and everything about the laparoscopic surgeries. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Khalid Musa Khadir Muhammad from Sudan, general surgeon working in Saudi Arabia. I heard about this course from my colleague in Sudan. They come here and do this course. The course is useful and I meet my expectation. And I would like to thank Prof. Mishra and all the assistants and World Laparoscopic Hospital for this course, and I would like to thank the assistants. They are helpful and cooperative. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Chandrika, reproductive endocrinologist from Kerala. I came here for 14 days fellowship in minimal access surgery training. I should say it's a fabulous 14 days because the program is well structured. Right from our arrival in the airport, the staffs were extremely friendly, and the transport provided, the hospitality in the hotel, and all the staffs were totally dedicated in World Laparoscopic Center. The program is like well structured, be the lecture class or the lab training, the wet lab training. It is like, I don't know how Mishra sir can impart such a complex task in a simpler form. And also because we have left our family behind and also our work. They made sure that not a time wasted. It went back to back, and the 14 days. I was thinking how someone can teach minimal access surgery in 14 days, but they made sure that we learn everything before we leave, and they also conduct an exam at the end. I would extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. R.K. Mishra, to Dr. Balla, and the entire team for giving me such a fabulous opportunity to be a part of World Laparoscopic Center. Thank you.
Hi, hello. I am Dr. Anupriya, gynecologist. I am coming from Chennai. I came to know about World Laparoscopic Hospital from my friend who has already done FMAS here. So first when I came here, I have no idea what it would be and how the course would be. After coming here, the course was very good actually. All the faculties and the assistants over here and all the people who work here were very friendly, and they helped out to clear all our doubts, and I would say everyone would come here and take the FMAS or DMAS course.
My name is Nazia Nanan. I'm from Azamgarh. I've got one of my old colleagues. He has sent me to join the World Laparoscopy Center to have a good hands-on laparoscopic surgeries. And I have been here for 2 weeks, and it was a great experience. All the basics and even advanced, some of the advanced laparoscopic procedures were well said by the sir, and it was taught very from very basics. We were taught about each and every steps, and it was a great pleasure being here. Thank you.
Friend, I'm Dr. Spandana myself. I'm MS OBG and DNB OBG, and I've completed my MRCOG. I've come here for DMAS and FMAS degree. It's a very good experience here because we learn the basics of laparoscopy, that is A to Z of laparoscopy. It was a very good exposure with meeting RK sir and learning his new techniques and everything. I wish I will go back and practice everything. Thank you so much.
Go on.